so we're going to unbox and try this all-in-one plus non-toxic ceramic non-stick interior. It's actually 5-piece set, and it says 1 pan to steam, saute, and fry. This one is ceramic coating made without PFAS, PTFE, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, induction ready. So let's try to check what are those 5 pieces. Okay, so it can steam, it can saute, and it can fry. Alright, so these are the 5 pieces right here. So of course our all-in-one pan, and this one is for the steamer. So stainless steel steamer insert, multi-function lid, and the 2 beechwood utensils. Our multi-purpose heat-resistant utensil set is great for flipping and stirring, featuring rounded edges matching the curve of the pan. Alright, so let's try to open it and see what's inside. Alright, so this is what it looks like right there. And we pull out the pan. The wood utensil is already sticking out. Let's pull it now. Okay, here we go. So we have it out. Let's just pull out the rest. There you go. So here it is. So yeah, that's the pan. Okay. There. All right, so let's take out the this is our wood utensil. Okay, so this one we have to do, and it comes with the instruction how to use it, how to take care of it. So I'm so excited to really use this one. All right, so here's our final set. We have the nice the pan, we have the steamer, and cover, and the utensils. Let's get started trying it. So hi everyone, for today we'll cook this beef shank over here, and first we will marinate it. So what we have here, we have garlic, pepper, oregano mixture for this one. This one is paprika and parsley. This one also has parsley in it with some orange peel, black pepper, and onion powder. This one is just plain black pepper, and I also have here the brown sugar. So we're just gonna mix all of that, and we're gonna do a dry rub first before we're going to sear it. All right, just mixing this one smells so good already. All right. Okay, so we're gonna just do a dry rub right here. We're gonna flip it, of course. There you go. And we'll flip the other one. Done, and we're just gonna do the whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to just let it soak up for about 15 to 20 minutes. And while I'm doing that, we're gonna prepare the rest of the vegetables. All right, so we're gonna start searing it, but first, to keep the moisture, we have to kind of, cover it up with the flour. So we're just gonna put this one over here before we're going to sear it. Put it back here, and do the same for this. There you go. And now we're ready to sear it. Already have the oil, it's already heated, so we're just gonna start searing it. I'm using now our new pan that we got. I hope it fits. Ooh, perfect, muy perfecto. We're just gonna brown it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and we'll be back. All right, so we're gonna take this out now. Here, this one also. Ooh. And yeah. And we're going to just saute the garlic in here before we're going to put a little water. So garlic and onions. Pretty sure there's a lot of flavor left in that. And we're done. After we're done sauteing this, we can just simply put that back in. Okay, so let's now turn. Boy, we need to really grab the whole thing, but it's pretty big. Yeah. Ooh, nicely brown. Yeah. That's okay. Alright. Alright, we're gonna brown it for another 2-3 minutes. All right, let's put it back. I will cook the vegetables later. Just want to serve our meat right here is sauce. And we'll add water. Enough for it to cook. Little soy sauce. Just a little soy sauce. About a tablespoon. And I'm gonna add bouillon for flavoring right here. Okay, but we already have the flavors earlier when we put the dry rub. So let's cover it and we'll see after. We're gonna let it slow cook for, we'll see after 45 minutes. We'll check in 30 minutes. If it's soft, then we can continue. Otherwise, we'll use 45 minutes. Just gonna cover it. All right, so we prepared the vegetables already. So all I have here, we have cut up carrots, green beans. I have red bell pepper. I also have squash. I have sweet potato, and I have chayote. I have plenty of vegetables. I think I'm gonna add, something missing here is our leafy green vegetables. I'm gonna add that one later. I will use the power greens I got from Costco. But let's go ahead and put it into our pan. All right, let's take a look. This is after 45 minutes. And let's see. Slow cooked, medium slow, I think. It's I put it to 2 point something. Yeah, this one I can now poke it, but not really. Maybe we'll wait for another 20 more minutes. So it's an hour of little, yeah, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see. And for the meantime, I'm going to add the vegetables in here. I'm just gonna put it right on top to steam it, because I don't want it to be overcooked. Or I suppose I can put some over here, soak up all this goodness. And the chayote, I'm gonna add the chayote just full in there. I already cut it up, but I wanted it full for decoration later. I will also add the carrots. I will add the green beans a little later. But the carrots, yes, absolutely. We'll cover it again. And we'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so let's see. Vegetables are cooked. So we're going to take it out. And let's put the rest of the vegetable later. The green beans, the bell pepper. And I'm going to put some leafy vegetables as well, so we have a complete meal. All right, I already took the vegetables out. Now I'm going to add our green beans and the mixed vegetables. I have the mixed vegetables, leafy vegetables. We call it the power greens. Plenty of greens. Oh my goodness. I just want to cook it for like a minute or two and then kind of take it out. And we should be done after this, and we're just gonna start plating. All right, let's cover. Let's see. Okay, so the vegetables, the green ones are ready. So let's turn it off and let's start plating it. All right, let's put our squash. This one on top. Let's put more over here. Sweet potato. Let's put the chayote in here. Here's the chayote. And I'm going to add more. That's for that's the green beans. Let's just fill it in. So we have plenty of vegetables. And voila. Well, I think I can't put 2 in here. Can I? Other one is so big. Yeah, oh no, I can't. I'll just put 1. Sorry folks, we need to put it in the middle. The other one is too big. It won't fit in our plate. We'll just plate 1. And here comes the sauce. Let's put the sauce in. And here we go. Voila. That looks so good. That looks so good. Let's just put it down. Alright. our complete meal. Let's add all of our remaining vegetable in here. Or maybe not, it's already too full. But there you have it. Our beef shank in a lot of vegetables. Here's our final braised beef shank. This is a complete meal. We have squash, we have sweet potato, we have chayote, carrots, and the greens. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone. And thank you all for watching.